In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block or disable AI agents in Microsoft Copilot Chat and Microsoft 365. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com. This is where administrators manage apps, services, and organization-wide settings for Microsoft 365. Once the page loads, sign in with your administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper admin permissions, since standard user accounts may not be able to change app availability or block integrations. After you're signed in, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side. From there, click Settings and then choose Integrated Apps. This section is where you can review and manage apps, plugins, and connected tools that are available in your Microsoft 365 environment. If your goal is to stop a specific AI agent from being used across your organization, this is the area you'll need. Next, browse the list and locate the AI agent or plugin you want to block. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct app, especially if there are several with similar names or related functionality. Once you've opened the correct item, click Block App or change its status to Disabled, depending on the options available in your admin view. This action prevents the app from running across your organization, helping you control what AI tools are accessible to users. If instead you're an individual user and you simply want to turn off agents in Copilot Chat for your own experience, the process is a little different. Open Copilot inside your Microsoft 365 app or in your browser window. Once Copilot is open, look near the bottom of the chat pane for the plugins or agents icon. This is where you can manage the tools and assistants currently available in your chat environment. Click that icon, then find the active AI agent in the list. When you locate it, toggle the switch next to it to the off position. Turning it off here disables that agent for your use in Copilot Chat without needing organization-wide admin changes. And that's it. Whether you're an administrator managing access across Microsoft 365 or an individual user adjusting your Copilot Chat setup, these steps give you a straightforward